Welcome back to Locally Hosted.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Sam. For anyone new, this show runs entirely on local hardware.
No cloud APIs.
Just a DGX Spark in Ryan Storan's office.
Ryan handpicks every article, reviews every episode, scripts from Qwen.
Visuals from CogVideoX, all orchestrated by a custom pipeline he built.
And if we hit enough subscribers, we're open sourcing the whole thing.
Today, we're talking about the internet's biggest library of free APIs.
Specifically, the public APIs repository on GitHub.
Over 437,000 stars? That's not just popular. That's essential.
It is. It's a collective list of free APIs for developers.
But why does this matter? Aren't there a million APIs out there?
There are, but finding good ones is like finding a needle in a haystack.
So this repo is the map? The curated guide?
Exactly. It categorizes them by topic, weather, finance, health, etc.
And they're all free?
No hidden paywalls.
Mostly, the repo distinguishes between free tiers and paid services.
That's crucial. Developers hate surprise costs after integration.
Right. It saves hours of research. You just grep the list.
How does it stay relevant? APIs die all the time.
Community-driven. Anyone can submit a PR to add or remove one.
So it's self-healing. If an API goes down, the community fixes it.
Or removes it. It's a living document, not a static archive.
That's beautiful. Open source at its finest.
It's a testament to collective knowledge. No single company owns it.
Do you use it? Or do you build your own internal lists?
I use it as a starting point. Then I verify the docs myself.
Smart. Trust but verify. Classic dev strategy.
Exactly. The repo gets you 90% there. The rest is on you.
What's the most surprising category in there?
Got fucked. Seriously. There are dozens of cat API endpoints.
Of course there are. Because the internet needs more cats.
But also serious stuff. Healthcare data, legal databases, crypto.
It's a Swiss Army knife for the modern web developer.
A very heavy, very useful Swiss Army knife.
How do you contribute if you're not a maintainer?
Read the contributing guidelines. They're very clear.
So no random spam. It's curated chaos.
Curated chaos is my favorite kind of chaos.
Is there a risk of API drift? Docs changing without notice?
Constantly. That's why you checked the repo recently.
So it's not just a list.
It's a status dashboard.
Exactly. It tells you what's alive, what's dead, what's new.
That's incredibly valuable for anyone building a product.
Especially startups. Speed is everything. You can't waste time.
So this repo is a force multiplier for developer productivity.
A massive one. It's infrastructure, not just a list.
I love that perspective. It's the bedrock of the web.
It's the plumbing. You don't see it until it breaks.
And when it works, everything flows smoothly.
Precisely. It enables the magic of integration.
Are there any pitfalls we should warn people about?
Rate limits. Just because it's free doesn't mean it's unlimited.
Good point. Check the fine print before you scale up.
Always. Free tiers are for testing. Paid for production.
Makes sense. You get what you pay for eventually.
But the entry point is free. That's the beauty of it.
So if you're building something, go to public-apis.org.
Start the repo. Contribute if you can. It's a virtuous cycle.
It's open source. It grows because we all feed it.
And it feeds us back with knowledge and tools.
That's the spirit. Collaboration over competition.
Always. It's the only way the web survives.
All right, that's our deep dive. What's the takeaway?
Use the right tools. Don't reinvent the wheel.
And support the communities that build those tools.
Exactly. Subscribe if you like local first content.
We'll open source the pipeline if we hit the goal.
Original source is linked in the description.
This was Locally Hosted. Until next time, stay curious.